To get started, we need to keep the camera about 5 feet away from me. And the easy way to do that is to set the camera into panorama mode and have my arms stretched out. Now, let's adjust the distance to the point that my fingers just touch the two sides of the frame, and that should be good. Now, let's start panorama shooting in vertical way from bottom to top, and have the white arrow covers my shoes, and click Start. I'll pose first two arms in lower position and move the camera slowly along with the yellow line. And when the white arrow points to my chest, and I'll change to the second gesture. Now, when the white arrow points to my throat, and I'll change to the third gesture, and I'll finish up the rest of the recording. And click the button to stop recording. Let's see the result. First things first, let's find out the right distance between the camera and actors using the same way as we did in the first panorama. Just click the top of the screen and that white arrow will change the direction. Let's do it! Two actors make pose in the frame, and we'll begin with the ceilings and the walls above the head. Click the button to start recording downwards along with the yellow line smoothly. When the angle of the arrow is in line with my throat, now pause panning, and I'll move out of the frame really carefully to prevent any shakes in my head. And then the photographer will resume and pan downwards and finish. There you go. Looks nice.